How to enhance your milk into superfood naturally. Milk has been enjoyed throughout the world for thousands of years. It is packed with nutrients. The profile of milk is truly amazing. Just 1 cup 244 grams of whole cow's milk contains 146 calories, which helps our body to grow and develop. 8 grams of protein, which is an important building block for bones, muscles, cartilage, skin, and blood. 8 grams of fat, which is an important source of energy for the body. 28% calcium, which is very important to maintain strong bones. 24% vitamin D, which is important to maintain the health of bones and teeth along with the immune system, brain, and nervous system. 26% riboflavin B2, which helps the body to break down carbohydrates, proteins and fats to produce energy, and to allow oxygen to be used by the body. 18% vitamin B12, which helps to keep the body's nerve and blood cells healthy, helps make DNA and prevents anemia. 10% potassium, which helps in maintaining normal blood pressure and preventing stroke. 22% phosphorus, which helps in the formation of bones and teeth. 13% selenium, which plays a critical role in metabolism and thyroid function. But hold on. We can turn this pretty impressive drink into a superfood by adding just a couple of natural ingredients. A recent study has found that when boiled milk is mixed with some special ingredients, it turns into a superfood, which is extremely beneficial for health. So, instead of popping chemically laced pills at the drop of a hat or at the sign of any ailment, please try this home remedy, which will help you in the long run. The 2 ingredients we are referring here are 3 to 4 buds of cloves and 3 to 4 corns of black pepper. Grind them together into a powdery mix. Now, mix this powder in a glass of warm milk. Consume it every night, 1 hour after dinner. This superfood will help you fight 7 ailments. Cures common cold. Consuming this homemade super drink is an excellent remedy for common cold. It reduces nasal congestion and headache induced by common cold. Treats sore throat. This natural health drink is an excellent remedy for sore throat as it soothes your throat irritation. Improves immunity. Consumption of this super drink every night improves the disease-fighting ability of the cells to counteract the disease-causing agents. Prevents osteoporosis. Regular consumption of this super drink will strengthen your bones and keep them healthy, thereby preventing osteoporosis. Reduces infection. This super concoction comes with antibacterial properties that can prevent and reduce the prevalence of infections caused by bacteria in your body. Prevents cancer. Its high concentration of protein and phytonutrients helps in preventing malignant multiplication of cancerous cells. So, make it a ritual to drink it every night. As you have reached this far, please check out a priceless book of remedy in the link to the description below. Thanks for watching.